Can you hear them? They're coming. They're in the signal. They're in my head. Is it only me? Am I the only one to be cold? This pounding in my ears is calling me to rule the into the vastness of time, I heard the sound of love. Can you hear them? They're coming. They're in the signal. They're in my head. Can you hear them? They're coming. They're in the signal. They're in my head. In Professor's guise, oh doctor, doctor, you have healed me. You are not alone. It took you far too long to see. Now I lay in your arms, mortally wounded in your care. I'll leave you here forever, last of the Time Lords once again. Don't leave me now. Think of all we've done together. Think of all the vanquished foes. Think of all that we could be. It would be hell for me, imprisoned here forever with you.
No, please, you've got to, please. We're the only ones left. Please, just regenerate!